Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have three words for you: beautiful, affordable, spacious. This beautiful property, located on Mikleton Boulevard in Linstead, St. Catherine, has everything you need for your potential dream home. Boasting 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, Jack and Jill, 2 en-suites, spacious open concept main floor, fantastic kitchen, living, dining, and laundry. Admirable workmanship at every turn. The possibilities with this much space are almost endless. This clean, affordable, easy to personalize family home has great potential for income earning. The land area of this house is approximately 5,000 square feet. Here's the house you've been waiting for. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 30 million or US $194,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.